maybe we can show our new little friend up here. He's up here eating some mulberries. He was just talking to me. I'm squatted down on the ground, so a little bit shaky here. And oh, you came back, huh? Okay. I do. I have, probably a good half hour of recordings from earlier today, but I don't know if I'm going to share them or not. He's running back and forth, running right down to the end of the branch. And grabbing mulberry and right back. Uh-oh. And my lady, which she's right down below, but she's not even paying any attention to the squirrel. Well, I think she might be fixated on our robin. Let's see. I'm not seeing anything. Huh. Oh, there she goes. She's after something. Oh, maybe it's just a moth or an insect. Yeah, I'm not sure whether any blue jays will come up while I'm still hanging out. As well, this is already the second loading of the limb here, branch, realistically. I just like saying loading limb. So yeah, they've already been out visitating, which I didn't record, but you know, more than likely we'll get one or two possibly coming back while I'm still here. Alright, so we got incoming. I do believe that we'll be ending off here. Hey, how you doing? Come on down. You can come down. Is that King? Is that you, King? Huh? You can come down. Oh, I guess I'm just still too close for him. And I did spot another one that is over in this vicinity. I don't know where Jayhawk's at. Come on down. Oh, well, there you go. Oh, well, yeah, that's King. I could tell because of the small top knot on his head, and oh, okay. Yeah, we got another one back here. Are you coming up or what? Huh? Now we got quite the. Oh. I know what's happening there. Laughing as he flies, or she flies off. No? Oh, Jay, is that you? Yeah. Okay, that's good enough to close out on. Um, yeah, I wasn't zoomed in real good, but yeah. All right, we are. Oh, it's quite active out here. I mean, up in the air, on the ground, everywhere. It is very active out here at the moment. And I'm going to go ahead and back my way out of here and let the fun continue without me. So with all of that said and seen, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here nice and clean. And if you'd like, you can join me again sometime. Have a great one and take care.